Demystifying negative forms and questions, enhancing your English skills. Hello, dear language learners. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're delving into a fundamental aspect of English grammar, modal verbs, focusing on their usage in expressing ability. More specifically, we'll learn about the negative forms and how to use them when answering questions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to comfortably use negative forms to express inability or impossibility and answer questions confidently. Before we jump into negative forms and questions, let's quickly recap our understanding of modal verbs. They are special verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. When we talk about ability, the modal verbs can and could are our main players. For example, I can play the guitar. She could swim when she was 5. Negative forms in English are generally constructed by adding not after the modal verb. For expressing inability or impossibility, we use can't or cannot and couldn't. For example, I can't play the violin. She couldn't reach the top shelf. Remember, in spoken English, we usually contract cannot to can't. So how do we use these negative forms when answering questions? Let's explore this in more depth. If someone asks you, "Can you play the piano?" and you don't know how to play it, you can answer with the negative form, "No, I can't play the piano." If you were asked about a past ability, like, "Could you swim when you were 2?" and you couldn't, you would answer, "No, I couldn't swim when I was 2." The best way to understand and apply these rules is by practicing. Let's do some together. Can you speak Italian? No, I can't speak Italian. Could you cook when you were 10? No, I couldn't cook when I was 10. Your turn now. Try to construct some sentences on your own using negative forms of can and could. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial on answering questions using negative forms of modal verbs for ability. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying how to use can't and couldn't when expressing inability or impossibility. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. As always, thank you for watching and happy learning. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to build on our English grammar skills. Until next time, goodbye and take care.